Kumusta po kayo? Let's continue our journey in learning a beautiful language, Tagalog. We are continuing our long series on the Tagalog enclitic particles that are monosyllabic and duosyllabic words that grammatically connect two words that convey different nuances and meanings. In the last video, we have combined the enclitic particle muna with other particles we have learned so far in this series. If you have missed that, go check it out so that this current video will make sense to you. The link is in the description box down below. For the most part, the enclitic particle muna can mean to be first before anyone else or anything else. In the last video, we have learned that combining the particle muna with another particle can produce interesting meanings in Tagalog. In this video, I will combine the particle muna with two other particles, and you will discover that these combinations can produce more interesting meanings. But before we dive into our lesson, please be sure that you are subscribed by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you'd be updated of new videos. Alright? So, tara, simulan na natin. Take a look at this table. This shows the possible combinations of the enclitic particle muna with other particles that we have learned so far in this series all the way back to episode 151. In discussing this lesson for today, I will use sample sentences using the personal pronoun ako or I as the subject so that it will be easier for you to spot the differences between these combinations. Plus, if I use other subjects, then this video will become way too long. So, heto na. Here goes. Ako na ba? Is it my turn now? Ako na ba muna? Is it my turn now to be first before anyone else? Ako na lang. It's just me for now. Let me do it. There's no one else. Ako na lang muna. Let me be first for now since there's no one else. Ako na lang muna ang magsasalita. Let me be first to speak for now since there's no one else. Ako na naman. It's me again. Ako na naman muna. It is me again who will go first before anyone else. Ako na naman muna ang tatayo. It is me again who will stand up first before anyone else. Ako na kaya? Do you think it's me now? Do you think it's my turn now? Ako na kaya muna. What if I be the one to be first before anyone else? Ako na kaya muna ang umalis. What if I be the one to leave first before anyone else? Ako na pala. Oh, it's me now. I just realized. Ako na pala muna. Oh, it's me who will be first before anyone else. I just realized. Ako na nga. It is indeed I. Or, ako na nga. I'll do it since no one can. Ako na nga muna. All right, I'll be first before anyone else. Ako pa ba? Is it still me? Ako pa ba muna? Is it still me who will be first before anyone else? Ako pa lang. There's just me. No one else is here. Ako pa lang muna. There's just me for now before anyone else comes. Ako pa naman. I was the one who's supposed to do something. Ako pa naman ang magluluto. I was the one who was supposed to cook. Ako pa naman muna. I was the one who is supposed to do something before anyone else does. Ako pa naman muna ang magluluto. I was the one who's supposed to cook before anyone else. Ako pa kaya? Do you suppose that it's still me? Ako pa kaya muna? Do you suppose that it is still me before anyone else? Ako pa pala. There's still me, I just realized. Ako pa pala muna. There's still me who will be first, I just realized. Ako pa nga. Indeed, there's still me. Ako pa nga muna. Indeed, there's still me who will be first before anyone else. Ako lang ba? Am I the only one? Ako lang ba muna? Am I the only one to be first before anyone else? Ako ba kaya? Do you suppose that it's me? Ako ba kaya muna? Do you suppose that it's me who will be first before anyone else? Ako lang naman. It's just me, no big deal. Ako lang naman muna. It's just me and no one else who will be first before anyone else, no big deal. Ako lang kaya? Do you suppose that it's only me? Ako lang kaya muna? Do you suppose that it's only me who will be first before anyone else? Ako lang pala. It's just me apparently. Ako lang pala muna. It is I who will be first before anyone else. I just realized. Ako lang nga. It is indeed only me. Ako lang nga muna. It is indeed only me who will be first before anyone else. Ako naman kaya. It is my turn since I've waited long enough, if you haven't noticed. Ako naman kaya muna. Perhaps it should be my turn first before anyone else, if you haven't noticed. Ako naman pala. Apparently, it's my turn since I've waited long enough. Ako naman pala muna. Apparently, it's my turn before anyone else since I've waited long enough. Ako naman nga. It is indeed my turn. I've really waited long enough. Ako naman nga muna. It is indeed my turn to be first before anyone else since I've really waited long enough. Ako nga kaya. I suppose it is indeed me who will do something. Ako nga kaya muna. I suppose it is indeed me who will be first before anyone else to do something. Ayos ba? Did you get a sense of how each combination worked? I hope so. I hope that you will also find that combining the enclitic particle muna with other particles can enrich a sentence in Tagalog. Now, the big question is, can you combine the enclitic particle muna with 3 particles? The answer is yes, but I won't discuss that because they're very uncommon. Like for example, the sentence, ako na lang kaya muna. What if I'm the only one to be first for now before anyone else since I've waited long enough? Or the sentence, ako pa ba kaya muna? Do you suppose I'm still the one to be first before anyone else? Nah, let's not talk about those. You won't hear them a lot anyway. Besides, I don't wish to blow your brains out and go crazy. But now, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button because that will help this channel a lot. And I mean really, really a lot. Eyes back? That's about it for now for our featured enclitic particle, the particle muna. I hope you learned something new in our discussion on Tagalog enclitic particles that will help you in your journey in learning Tagalog. I will see you next time. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.